Alright guys, this is what I'm talking about by these lower ball joints are no fun to do unless you remove that control arm and you still have to cut the heads off and use a press or something to press these out. I don't see any other way of doing these. You have to cut the heads off with a Sawzall. Seems to work the best. I usually take a little grinder and I'll smooth this top surface, and then I'll take a starter punch and I'll punch a hole in the center, and I'll run a drill bit through them, and then a larger drill bit to bore out the hole a little bit, and then I'll chisel away to get that rivet out of there. There is no fun way of doing these ball joints. They're just a real nightmare. So just let you know, when you start one of these jobs, changing a lower ball joint on these Dodges, they are no fun to do. Alright guys, I'll come back when I drill the hole through, and then I'll show you what I have to do to get each one of these rivets out. Alright guys, stay tuned.